In this video, we will learn how to uh, check null and duplicate values in dataset. Let's import, first of all, import pandas library, then we will import a dataset. After that, we will check null and duplicate values. To import pandas, we will write pandas, import pandas as pd. Okay, now we are taking exporting a data set and store in a variable name data pd dot read underscore csv. We have a file of cancer.csv in our Jupyter that I uploaded previously. uh, uh, we will read that file and check the other functionalities like null and duplicate. Before checking null and duplicate values, I want to see the shape of the data dot shape. The data frame has 50,000 rows and 15 columns. In previous video, uh, I told you how we check head and tail, describe, info, these functionalities. Let's go directly towards the how to check null values. Data. To check null values, I will call data dot uh, and its function is to check null values is null is null. It's a function. Let's run it. Okay, here is the answer, is the output, you can say. It shows false here. I move this here row. Okay, these are the columns and it shows top 5 rows 1 0 to 4, then dot dot dot, and last bottom tail 5 rows. Okay, and it's showing us false because maybe somewhere it will be true means here there is a, or here is a null value, and false means there is no null value. So it's a boolean answer. I don't want to see the result in boolean like true or false. It's very difficult to read all 50,000 rows and check. Then for to avoid this, I write another function on null value to give me a figure how many null values exist in dataset. uh, to see the figure of the exact figure, to know the exact figure of the null values, I will write the function data dot is null, then another function on is null function, that is sum. Okay, and run it. Okay, over here is the details. It shows all the columns from patient ID to target score. It's showing there is no null value in any column. I don't want to see like this to show me the all columns. Columns could be there could be in any data set some null values, and here are multiple columns, 200 250 columns. So that's could be difficult to read and understand, to read these columns. So then I to know the exact figure of the data sets null values, I will write another sum function on sum function. How I will write? Let's see. Data dot is null dot sum and another sum. Now it will give me answer of the whole data set. It's showing there is no null value in data set. Now I want to see the duplicate values. For that I will write data dot is duplicated. Okay, duplicated. It's, I think duplicated is duplicated. No, just duplicated. Here it shows false for like null values. I don't want to see like this. I want the exact figure. For that I will write data dot duplicated dot sum. It will show me the exact figure. It shows 0. There is no duplicate value in this data set. In this video we import a file, then we check there is any null or duplicate values. In next video we will use lock and iLock functions to specifically read some specific rows or columns. Now I am ending this video here.